Right now, we are following the latest developments in day 19 of the Delphi murders trial as we are preparing to hear a verdict to determine the fate of Richard Allen. He's charged with the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German. We want to head to our 13 News team, which is in Carroll County right now. As this trial resumes, senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is bringing us the very latest. Good afternoon, Bob.
Hi, Karen. Jurors arrived here at the Carroll County Courthouse just before 9 o'clock this morning. So 3 hours of deliberations that they've got in today, plus 2 yesterday. We're talking about 5 hours now that they have been weighing all of the testimony and evidence in this case, and they have a lot to consider after hearing from 64 different witnesses and seeing 387 different exhibits introduced by the state and the defense, all to help jurors decide if Richard Allen is Bridge Guy, the man Libby German recorded on her cell phone just before she and Abby Williams were murdered back in 2017. Yesterday, Carroll County Prosecutor Nick McLeland told jurors during closing arguments that Richard Allen is Bridge Guy, and he asked the jury to find Allen guilty on all 4 counts of murder that he's charged with. The defense told jurors the state's investigation was deeply flawed, and they said that Allen's jailhouse confessions were false statements made while he was suffering from psychosis. They asked the jury to set Allen free with a verdict of not guilty. There are lots of people waiting outside the courthouse today, lots of signs both in support of Abby and Libby and Richard Allen. Now it is just a matter of waiting for the jury to come back with a verdict. We don't know if that verdict is going to come here this afternoon or if the jury is going to need more time, whether that be a matter of additional hours or even days. But they did have a tremendous amount of material over the 18 days of the trial so far to be able to have to hear both sides and a lot of evidence, a lot of testimony, a lot of exhibits. We will be here in Delphi until we get that verdict from the jury. Live in Delphi, I'm Bob Siegel, 13 News. Karen, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Bob.